Alright, I guess I'll go ahead and do a little unboxing here. So this is my pen from AJOTO. I'm not even sure if I'm saying it right, but I guess that's how you say it. Anyway, airmail. Hopefully that's what this is. I would assume it is, but anyway, let me go ahead and open this up here. Alright. Let's see what we got here. So it looks like they include a Christmas card in with the box. No, I guess it's their card. Pretty cool. Thank you. So it's got a thank you note with all of their signatures and some other stuff there as well. AJOTO. Alright. And looks like we've got some tissue here. Let's see. Move the box out of the way here. So we'll just slide some of this stuff out. Just tissue paper there. Here's a AJOTO sleeve with the pen in it. And natural leather pen pouch. So there's my pouch. Make your mark. Alright, my battery died, so let's see if we can finish this up. This is the natural leather pen pouch. So get that out of here. And it looks really nice. Has their stamps on it. And we have the tissue paper. And I think last but not least, we have the pen box. So, looks like you have to, oh, it's got some stuff on the back. Designed by AJOTO in London, and so forth. Alright, so it looks like it's got this zipper tab on it. Do this one-handed here. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. You can't tell by the video, but I mean, this is, has some substantial weight to it, so it feels pretty good. Even this pen case, or the box, it's like metal, so it feels really good. And there you can see the cork. And again, this has a really good feel to it. Cork on the sides there. Again, I'll push this out. This is tough to do one-handed. Has the designed in London by AJOTO, made by specialists in the UK and Portugal. So here's your about to embark upon an amazing journey. Be creative, stay curious, make your mark. So, every product has a story. Find out more at AJOTO.com. And there's my number. I don't know if the numbers are unique. Maybe they are. Because I saw on I guess on one of the things it was showing where they had a thing where they would change the number and I guess stamp each one of these. Anyway, that's pretty cool if it is. And there is the pen. Very shiny. Much shinier than I was expecting. I'll dump it out. Take a look at it. Wow. Wow, it's quite, it's got a good feel to it. Oh, there's their logo there. Anyway, I'll load it up, but anyway, that's it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Well, I went ahead and loaded up an ink cartridge in it, so I'll go ahead and show you how that works. It's very, very cool. So you twist it and you'll see the ink cartridge coming out, and it's all the way out, and then you just twist it back, and it kind of has a stopping point where it kind of stops, and it pulls the ink cartridge back in. Very smooth. Pretty cool. And you can actually, so this untwist all the way out. You see the O-ring and the large grooves there. And then I happen to like the Fisher Space Pen type cartridges, so that's what I put in mine. But their rollerball is nice as well. Anyway, that should do it. Very cool. Glad I got it.